Hi guys, Jeff here from TAP. Just want to share a bit of a case study with you today with this Dualis with air conditioning issues. This customer's brought the car in as the weather starts to warm up a bit. Our intermittent air conditioning operation has been doing it for some time. And when we scanned the vehicle, we did actually come up, and just to let you know, it's a 2009 Nissan Dualis, the J10 model. And again, once we scanned the vehicle, it was coming out with an outside air temperature sensor. So the air temperature sensor on this particular model just lives right here under the grille there. You can see the temperature sensor down there mounted on that center mount. And this particular vehicle's setup is a little bit different to your average sort of motor vehicle. In live data, this was coming up as minus, a very low figure of temperature. And in the end, it was a faulty sensor. This particular sensor, if it gets down to below a certain value of -2, I think, or below, it won't operate the air conditioning any longer. So this was an intermittent fault with this particular sensor, sometimes giving a correct reading and sometimes dropping to a default or an open circuit value of minus 21 or something, whatever the temperature was. So again, that then will shut down their air conditioning system. So most other ambient temperature sensors on other cars won't do that. It's really just an auxiliary bit of information for the system. But in this particular car and this particular system, it's critical that that ambient temperature sensor is working correctly. So make sure you're checking on your live data. Again, if you're looking for good known live data, make sure you go to the website and have a look in good scope scan data. But again, it's important to have a look, particularly with intermittent faults like this one, have a look at your data, have a look at your fault codes if there are any, try and link up where the actual issue might be. But as I mentioned on this particular one, that temperature sensor is very, very important for the operation of the air conditioning system. Hope that helps you out, and we'll see you again next time.